Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Xpeng, how it had this amazing day. I know if you were watching Xpeng, you were super excited today. I mean, everyone was basically talking about Xpeng today, and rightfully so. It was up 22%. We're going to get into this. We're going to talk about the levels I'm watching, where I'm looking for a pullback for an entry possibly, or where I think it's heading. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you that I do have a free Discord server. Link in the description below, completely free. If you need help during market open, we're super active. We have over 600 members now, so if you need help, just join this and we'll help you out. Now let's get right into the video. Let's talk about Xpeng. So the first set of news that we need to talk about is this. So Chinese electric car startup Xpeng gets $2 billion in credit from state-owned banks. So they plan to use this new credit line to expand its manufacturing, sales, and services and other operations. So basically, they're going to be using this $2 billion to expand their business, to grow it in 2021 and beyond. So this was extremely bullish news. Investors, they reacted well to this. As you can see today, they like this news. They like them getting this credit, $2 billion worth, so they can use this money to grow their business and increase sales, increase production, and all of that. So investors like this. This was super bullish news, and this is one of the catalysts why Xpeng pushed up today. Now we're going to talk about it from a technical standpoint. We're going to break down the chart. We know the news. We know that they got the $2 billion credit. Now let's talk from a technical standpoint what actually happened today. So my previous Xpeng video I posted yesterday, I said this right here needs to hold. This level at 43.61, 43.70, it needs to hold. If it doesn't, then we're coming back down to 40.29. Now we held here over the last couple of days. This was a strong support, and that's the reason why I said it needed to hold this level. And for this reason right here, because we gapped up today and we really went for it today. Now yes, we had a catalyst. It was, it sparked the fire, but we still held this technical level and we pushed up. Then we got above resistance right here at 48.06. So we know that this 48.06 level, it was a strong resistance. Every time we push up to that level right here, we got rejected. We got rejected. So we got rejected many times at this 48.06 area. So this catalyst that we had was just enough to push it through and way beyond. Look at the volume that came in today, guys. Look at this volume and compare it to the average that it's been trading at. So we know that buyers were in here heavy, and that's what it takes to push through these heavy resistance lines. This is exactly what you want to see. We had the heavy volume, and now the question is, what's going to happen tomorrow? What am I looking at? Am I looking to get in? Am I looking to, sell? What's going to happen? I'm going to answer these questions for you. So if you're in Xpeng right now, I know this was a sigh of relief, guys. I know, especially if you got in back here at the 50 range, even up here, even your average may not even be hit yet. I know this was a sigh of relief. A lot of y'all have been messaging me saying, hey, I've been holding Xpeng for a while, and it's just horrible seeing my money just go down. And I told y'all, we reversed. We were making these higher low patterns. As long as we didn't get below this, we were fine. And that's exactly what happened today. That day came today, and I know a lot of you were happy. I got a bunch of messages today saying, I'm happy today because it finally did something. And let me make this clear. This isn't a normal day by any means whatsoever for Xpeng. This news right here was definitely a catalyst to help spark this today. Definitely. We're up 22%. So don't expect another 22% day tomorrow. I mean, it could happen. Anything's possible. But my thought process behind this is, yes, we got the good uptrend. This is exactly what we needed. But now we probably need a day where we can cool off. We can, take a breather and then gear up for the next move. So for that breather move, I'm looking for possibly a down day tomorrow and just a pullback down to 51.35. That's all I'm saying, is a pullback down to 51.35. If we can get here, that would be an amazing dip buy, and then we start heading back up. Now, if it's red tomorrow, do not panic. Do not think it's come crashing down. Do not panic sell. If we come back down tomorrow, I want it to hold this level right here at 51.35. Now, if it doesn't, then yes, we will come back to $48. But I think this is a strong intraday support that it should hold. Now, I'm not saying that tomorrow it might not even pull back. We might go for it again tomorrow. This might have just been round 2, and we're going to be going for round 3 tomorrow. So I'm saying, just be patient. Watch what it's doing. Don't let your emotions take over you. Just watch with these levels. So the first level you need to watch is 51.35. That needs to hold if we do get a pullback. Now, if we're really going for it tomorrow and we're really pushing up strong, then we need to get above 56.67. So this is the next resistance line that we really need to get above. So tomorrow, if we're super green, we need to get above that, confirm it, and then we can continue. So guys, this is my game plan for Xpeng. Either we get the pullback tomorrow and you're able to get the dip buy or add on, that's great, or we just really go for it tomorrow. It's one of those days like today where we just gap up and just go for it. That's what I'd be on the lookout for tomorrow. Those are the two scenarios I'm looking at. Let me know in the comments below, how many shares do y'all have? What's your average? And were you super excited about today? Let me know in the comments below. Glad to have all of you here. Thank you for watching my video. Just want to get this quick video out. I know a lot of people were waiting for this video. Got some comments on my Neo video that are waiting. So thank you for being a supporter. Glad to have all of you here. And I'll see you all in the next